Hey beautiful, it's Gifty and welcome back to Gifty Hair channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to create flawless body wave curls using Gifty Premium I-Tip Hair Extensions. If you're looking for a long-lasting, voluptuous, natural-looking curls, you're in the right place. These I-Tip extensions from Giiftihair.com are perfect for anyone who wants to add fullness and length to their natural hair without the damaging of traditional extensions. Gifty Hair is known for their high quality, long lasting strands, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to curl our beautiful I-Tip extensions. I-Tip extensions are installed strand by strand using a small bead. You can watch our I-Tip install video linked in the description box. The process is virtually undetectable and it gives your hair a seamless, natural blend. Now let's begin with the curling. Before you start curling or anything like that, always prep your hair by using heat protectant silk serum. I'm using a 1-inch curling wand today to achieve loose beach wave body wave. But before I start, I cannot stress the importance of heat protectant, especially when it comes to high quality hair extensions like Gifty. You need to put heat protectant on your hair to maintain the integrity and shine of the hair. For body wave curls, I'm going to be curling away from the face, but I'm alternating the direction of the curls with each section to get that natural bouncy wave effect. When curling, I recommend taking small sections and holding the curling iron for about 8 to 10 seconds, but be sure to curl the entire length of the hair. This will give you that soft, voluptuous wave instead of those super tight curls. So when you're curling, make sure you're entirely curling the hair, folding the hair entirely upwards and not just from the ends to the shaft. You want to go from the roots to the shaft to the ends, collecting the entire curls to create that beautiful, soft, voluptuous wave. With Gifty Hair I-Tip extensions, we're currently using the 22, 20, and 18-inch in the silky straight texture. You can also purchase the body wave texture and it has a natural wave to it and that can be curled. I'm showing you that our silky straight can be curled and hold a beautiful curl as well, depending on which texture you like to use. Once all the curls are done, I'll like to give them a few minutes to cool off. This helps the curls to sit. So to help the curls sit, you can either pin curl it as you go through or leave it how it is without pin curling, but letting it sit and cool down before you run your fingers through it. This helps the hair in the curl set, and after that I will gently finger comb through the curls to loosen them up and make it more voluptuous. Finger combing is a great way to create natural volume and movement. You want the waves to look soft, effortlessly, not overstyled, so use your fingers and gently rake through the hair. A light holding spray will help keep the volume and bounce while maintaining the natural movement of the curl. So while you're curling or once you get done curling, you should use a light holding spray to keep the bounce and volume into the hair while maintaining it. Light holding spray. There is different types of holding spray. You want to get the light one so you can still maintain that movement without having the hair too crunchy. And here's the final look. These soft, gorgeous, beautiful body wave curls can be worn for any occasions. And they were effortlessly created using Gifty I-Tip extensions. Whether you're going for a glam look or you just want to add some volume to your natural hair, this style works wonders. Now, if you're ready to elevate your hair game, head over to Giiftihair.com and get our I-Tip extensions. We have various textures available. In this video, I'm showing you the I-Tip extensions in Silky Straight. Use the description box. You can click the link to purchase Giiftihair.com I-Tip extensions or book a luxury package deal service and get your hair and install done by Giftihair.com. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might love these body wave curls. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. It's Gifty, the gift to your hair.